Good morning everyone. Today we are going to present our topic Nvidia Business Model Canvas 2026 Powering the AI Revolution. Nvidia started as a graphics card company focused on gaming GPUs, but today it has grown into one of the world's most important companies in artificial intelligence and high performance computing. Nvidia's technologies are used in many areas such as gaming, data centers, autonomous vehicles, scientific research, and AI development. In this presentation, we will explain how Nvidia's business model works using the Business Model Canvas framework. Our team members are myself, Viljan Kumar, along with Karthikeyan, Hitesh Raj, and Vishal Kumaran. Now let us move to the first block, customer segment. Nvidia serves multiple high-value customer groups across different industries. First, gaming enthusiasts. There are more than 200 million PC gamers worldwide, and Nvidia provides powerful GeForce GPUs that deliver smooth and high-quality gameplay. Gaming is one of the Nvidia's strongest and oldest markets. Second, data centers and AI companies. Large cloud providers and AI companies use Nvidia GPUs to train artificial intelligence models and run machine learning systems. This segment is growing very fast and generates major revenue for Nvidia. Third, professional visualization. Users like architects, engineers, designers, and media creators, they use Nvidia GPUs for 3D modeling, simulation, and rendering. Next, automotive industry. Car companies use Nvidia technology to build autonomous driving systems and AI safety features. Finally, Nvidia also supports developers and technology partners such as hardware manufacturers and AI engineers who build products using Nvidia platforms like CUDA. So, overall, Nvidia serves a diverse and future-focused customer base from gaming to advanced AI industry.
Hi, I'm Karthikeyan. I will speak about value propositions. Nvidia provides value that goes beyond just selling GPUs. The first value proposition in industry-leading GPUs. Nvidia GPUs deliver extremely high performance for gaming, artificial intelligence, scientific computing. These GPUs are considered the best in the industry. The second value proposition is CUDA ecosystem. CUDA is a Nvidia's software platform that allows the developers to use GPUs for AI development, machine learning, scientific simulations. This ecosystem makes Nvidia hardware more powerful and useful. The third value proposition is full stack computing. Nvidia provides complete solutions including GPUs, CPUs, network hardware, software platforms. This allows companies to build complete AI system easily. The fourth proposition is AI supercomputers. Nvidia technology powers modern AI systems such as generative AI, robotics, scientific research. Now I will be explaining this distribution and engagement. Nvidia uses several channels to reach customers. First, direct enterprise sales. Nvidia works directly with large companies and cloud providers. Example, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. These companies uses Nvidia GPUs in their data centers. Second, OEM partnerships. Nvidia partnership with the hardware manufacturing system integrators. These companies will build computers with servers using Nvidia components. Third, developer community. Nvidia supports developers by training programs, software tools, SDKs, AI research and support. This helps developers build applications using Nvidia technology. Fourth is enterprise support. Nvidia provides technical support and works closely with large customers to build custom AI solutions. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. Now I will explain the revenue system and innovation engines of Nvidia. Let me start with Nvidia's revenue systems. Nvidia earns revenue from multiple sources, but the largest and fastest growing source today is data centers. Nvidia's AI accelerators and GPUs are widely used in data centers to train and run artificial intelligence models. Because of the rapid growth of AI technologies, the segment generates a huge portion of Nvidia's income. Another important revenue source is gaming. Nvidia sells millions of gaming GPUs worldwide, and its GeForce series is extremely popular among gamers. Even though gaming is not growing as fast as AI, it still contributes a significant and stable revenue. In addition to this, Nvidia earns a revenue from professional visualization and automotive segments. Professional GPUs are used by designers, engineers, and researchers, while automotive segment supports self-driving and smart vehicle technologies. Nvidia also generates recurring income through software licensing and AI enterprise subscriptions. These services provide long-term revenue and strengthen customer relationships. Now, let me talk about Nvidia's innovation engine. Innovation is the core strength of Nvidia. The company holds more than 26,000 patents worldwide, covering GPU design, artificial intelligence, and high-performance computing. This strong patent portfolio protects Nvidia's technology and gives it a competitive advantage. Nvidia invests over $10 billion every year in research and development. This heavy investment helps the company stay ahead of competitors and continuously improve its products. Nvidia also uses advanced chip manufacturing technologies such as 4 nanometer and 5 nanometer processors, which make GPU faster, more powerful, and energy efficient. Finally, long leadership and culture innovation allow Nvidia to maintain its position as a global technology leader.
Now I will explain the core activities of Nvidia. Nvidia performs several key activities to maintain its business. First activity is chip design. Nvidia designs advanced GPUs and AI accelerators that delivers high computing power. Second is software development. Nvidia develops software platforms such as CUDA and AI frameworks. These tools allows developers to build a powerful AI application. Third is research and development. Nvidia invests highly in research areas such as generative AI and robotics, autonomous systems. Fourth is cloud collaboration. Nvidia works with cloud companies to build AI supercomputers and cloud-based AI service. Now I will explain key partners. Key partnership. Nvidia works with many important partners. First are chip manufacturing partners. Companies like TSMC and Samsung manufacture Nvidia chip uses advanced AI technologies. Second is cloud companies. Companies like AWS and Google Cloud provides Nvidia-based AI service to the customer worldwide. Third are automotive companies. Car manufacturers use Nvidia's technology to develop their self-driving cars. Fourth are universities. Nvidia collaborates with universities to advance their AI research and train future engineers. Now I will explain the cost structure. Cost structure of Nvidia follows an investment-focused strategy. Their biggest cost is research and development. 65% of its spending goes into innovation and new technology. 20% on manufacturing. Nvidia outsources chip production to foundry companies. 10% is spent on sales and marketing. This includes the enterprise sales team and development programs. 5% of its remaining is invested in strategy partnership and startup. These investments help Nvidia to grow its ecosystem. To conclude, Nvidia has evolved from a gaming graphic company to a backbone of artificial intelligence. Its integrated hardware and software platform powers artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicle, and scientific computer cloud computing. Nvidia's strong innovation partnership and ecosystem creates a strong competitive advantage. Nvidia is not just a chip company, it's a technology platform powering the future of intelligence mission. Thank you.